Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking around this approved used Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TFSI 6-speed manual. This particular model is finished in the stunning pulse orange paint and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the 35 TFSI, you get a 1.5 litre petrol engine producing 148 brake horsepower and will approximately achieve a combined MPG of 40.4. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 19-inch 5 twin arm alloy wheels finished in matte grey with a high sheen diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that beautiful orange paintwork and tying in nicely with the black styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened from the key or the button on the boot lid itself. This reveals more maximum storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage or weekly family shop, and the boot floor can be removed or lowered for extra storage space. The interior is finished in part leather part cloth for maximum luxury with the optional extra of the orange Alcantara elements, central armrest with dual cup holders and rear air vents, and both outer seats are finished with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front, the flat bottom S-line multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display, dual zone climate control, and a better look at the Alcantara interior elements. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed at the top and are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice controls as mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply the navigational system. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle depending on how you want it to feel and how you are feeling. This car is also fitted with the comfort and sound pack, which gives you the rear view camera with front and rear sensors to make parking all the easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised to in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the approved used Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TFSI 6-speed manual in pulse orange paint, available now at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions, queries or wish to see the car in person, simply come on down to the showroom or give one of our friendly sales team a call.